High ticket items for Shopify. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be diving into the world of Shopify, specifically focusing on high ticket items. For those unfamiliar, Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to set up an online store and sell products globally, basically just drop shipping on the platform of Shopify. Now, while traditional drop shipping has been going on for many entrepreneurs, there's an emerging trend that's making waves, which is called high ticket drop shipping. So what exactly is the difference between traditional drop shipping and high ticket drop shipping? In the traditional sense, you're often dealing with lower cost items like, phone cases, clothing items, or in this case, groceries. This is one specific Shopify store that deals with basic groceries. As you can see, you might sell up all of these at, the roundup mark of maximum $20 per ticket. As you can see, this tomatoes right here, or the chilies, are cucamelons, my bad. The margins can be pretty slim for them, and you need to sell in high volumes to make a significant profit. So let's just say you order a phone case, for instance. You can find that case on AliExpress and Amazon being the two of my favorite suppliers. I can find those for like $3 to $5 and sell it up for about $10 to $15. And after deducting the marketing costs, transaction fees, and other expenses, my profit margin might just be a few dollars, right? But on the other hand, when we talk about high ticket products, dropshipping focuses more on expensive products that ranges from about $200 to about several $1,000s, like about $200 to $10,000 grand. Now, this idea is that while you may sell fewer items, but the profit margin on each sale is significantly higher. Now, imagine you're selling luxury home sauna set that costs about like $2,000. So you can retail it on your Shopify store for about $3,000 or more, netting out a substantial profit per sale. The higher price point allows you for better profit margins, making it easier to cover advertising and operational costs with fewer sales, right? Here, there is one really successful Shopify store that deals in with high-end products, which are these e-bikes. As you can see, one e-bike, I could sell this up for about $3,000, buy it for about $2,000, or let's just say $1,500 from this supplier directly. Now, even if I don't have, or I'm not hoarding in about hundreds of these e-bikes, let's just say I invest in getting about 20 of these, they start from about $2,699, which rounds about 2,300 pounds. And you also have the option to test a free ride. So this way, the higher price point allows to make better profits and, without having to deal in with more and more products. Now, how do we find these high ticket items, right? Now, two of my favorite hubs are AliExpress and Amazon. First things first, I'm going to head over to AliExpress. I'm going to search up bestseller, or I can start by searching for categories that traditionally have higher pricer points, such as electronics, furnitures, or high-end fitness equipment. We're going to use the filter option to select the price. You can choose the free shipping or check out for the services. Let me just quickly type in and see e-bikes. Another amazing thing is that you can just make use of AliExpress's searching option by searching by an image, get an image from Google or anywhere else, on Pinterest as well, because Pinterest is an amazing place for you to look up onto industry trends. You can keep an eye on all the industry trends through websites like Google Trends, Reddit, and even Pinterest. So you have like niche specific forums. This helps you identify emerging products that could help become the next big thing in your high ticket dropshipping product list. Let's just search that up. Now from here, I can sort that out by highest pricing option. I have different pricing up here. Let's select the one with the highest. Now, again, you can see I can source this up out and sell this up for twice the price. Next up, we can look up for is luxury massage chairs or luxury bathtub sets, sauna sets. We can just check the product reviews and seller ratings to ensure the reliability. Moving on to Amazon. Once again, we're gonna head over to Amazon bestsellers. We're exploring bestsellers right here. You can choose through all departments, but this is gonna filter out the top best products for them. Okay, right here, the same way, we are going to typically have high ticket items like home improvement stuff, outdoor gear, or even electronics. We're going to identify products that are consistently ranking high and have higher customer reviews. That basically indicates the higher demand and trustworthiness. You can then look for also similar products on other wholesale platforms, or directly you can contact the manufacturers to source them. You can also do that by heading over to find the source manufacturer on Amazon. Let's search up for outdoor gear. So many athletic enthusiasts use that. Now let's head over to the pricing range. I just shifted the pricing range to the highest one. Okay, this is not a very specific niche, but like we said, let's start off by e-bikes once again. E-mountain bikes. And there we have it. We found loads and loads of mountain bikes, battery packs for the mountain bikes, and this is very niche specific. So now there you have it. Easy way to find high ticket products for your Shopify store. Now before I end this video, let's talk about few pros and cons of high ticket dropshipping. The pros are very visible and obvious. The fact that you have higher profit margins, lower competition, and less customer service, and also a better and enhanced customer experience. So higher profit means that with each high ticket item, you can earn per more sale, allowing you to reach your revenue goals faster and with very few transactions. Let's just say I head over to this page. As you see, this is up for about 2.7 grand already. Let me quickly explore it. And I know for a fact that there is going to be very less competition and there are going to be very less pages that sell up this way because we're going to be selling fewer very highly specified niche items, allowing us to focus more on scaling our business. And also we are going to be having higher price items, which comes with more engaged customer base who are willing to pay for quality. This can lead to better reviews and more repeated customers. Now moving on to its cons. There is higher risk. The cost per item is higher, meaning that any issues with shipping, returns, or even refunds can significantly impact your profit margins. Let's just say I have an issue with this bike being 2.7 grand, right? With the shipping purposes and everything, it rounds about to 3.2 pounds, 3.2 grand pounds. And something along the way goes wrong and they want a refund, then I significantly have a blow and hit on my profit revenues as compared to something a customer ordered for like a dress or something beauty product related, which costs about like $20 to $25. Moving on, let's talk about the cons. With so many different pros, there are certain cons that we have listed together for you. So the first one being higher risks. The higher cost per item, meaning any issues with the shipping, returns, or even refunds can significantly impact your profit margins. Let's just say this one bike that we've taken as an example is of about 2.799, right? Almost 2.7 thousand. So let's just say that you have an issue with the shipping or even the refunds. The customer ordered a red gear bike, or they ordered like about 4 different gear e-bike, but you sent in a different one. Now all of that risk came up to you, as in you'll have to pay with your own pocket about the refunds. The second one being more complex supply chain. So higher ticket items often tend to have more complicated logistics, including shipping, storage, and handling of the equipment, which can add to extra operational costs, which is not much of a burden in usual drop shipping on Shopify because you don't really have to manage all of the operational costs of handling your inventory. The third one being longer sales cycle. Usually high ticket items typically have a longer sales cycle because customers tend to take more time researching before making a purchase. Me personally, I would never invest in a bike that is about almost 3,000 euros without having to think or make proper research, see if there are different competitors or different companies offering better bikes that can do better than this one, which is why your marketing comes up here, where Cowboy has efficiently added book a test ride. So you can add one too, where you can add in either a test ride for them to book in several cities, or for you to have a virtual experience. Like, you have a virtual map of how it will feel riding the bike, or let's just say you have maybe a different approach and it's not just a bike, it's maybe hot sauna. You can have that specific sort of virtual sauna experience for them. So these are few cons that were over my head that we've listed using the high ticket Shopify system. So to conclude, high ticket dropshipping on Shopify can be incredibly lucrative if done correctly. By choosing the right products, sourcing reliable suppliers, and setting up your professional store, you can build a business with substantial profit margins. While the risks are higher compared to traditional dropshipping, so are the rewards. The rewards are equally significant. So if you're ready to move beyond low-cost items and enter the world of high-ticket e-commerce, now is the time to start. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps.